What is up, people? It's time for some anti-cabin fever treatment. Today's gonna be a short, simple little video. I really have to do something, although I can't do much, but I have to do something, otherwise I'm gonna go crazy. So it's gonna be a short video. I have this little muffler I picked up by chance at a junkyard. I paid 15 euros for it. That's like $18, I think. So incredibly cheap. It wasn't in perfect condition, but I couldn't let it go. It's an actual Supersprint muffler, and it's an Italian company which is pretty good and makes some pretty good mufflers. So what I did to it, I sandblasted it and then painted it with some high heat paint, and that's it. I didn't really want to spend too much money on this thing. It's just a little experiment, just a little test to see what it's gonna sound like. Now the actual muffler is for a BMW E36N1. This is what it said on the muffler after I blasted it and before I painted it. I took a picture. So it is what it is. It has two exits which we are going to make look hopefully nice on the MR2 today. And what this video is going to be is a little back-to-back to see what the muffler sounded before with the Volkswagen thing I have on there now. So more German stuff. This is like Italian / for German cars. Yeah, whatever. I hope it sounds good because I heard these mufflers in a few different cars. Some Peugeots, how do you say it in English? Who cares? So I've heard it on some older Peugeots for racing. I've heard it on a bunch of different cars, and I really like the way these things sounded. So I hope I can get the same results on the MR2, because the Volkswagen thing isn't bad, but it's starting to sound sort of weird and metallic, and it's kind of annoying me. So that's the thing on the muffler. I'm driving to the exhaust shop / welder thing right now. The other thing, I want to do a quick little update on what's happening in the D4A garage, and what's happening is nothing. I have a bunch of orders coming in for things I wanted to do. The most important one being my starter clutch repair thing for my GPZ 900R engine that I do have to replace. Take the whole engine apart and replace the starter clutch because it's really deep there in the engine, and I have to do that before reinstalling the engine and starting the bike for the first time. However, the whole pandemic situation, as you probably know, has stopped everything. The airport in my country is closed, and although things are slowly normalizing and there's no lockdown and the number of cases is being reduced every day, and it's a small country, we never even had that many, and our government went draconic pretty fast on the whole thing. I mean, we're an ex-communist country, and if there's anything they know how to do, they know how to go draconian and tell people not to go anywhere. So the people were nice, and so I think we might hopefully get away with minimal negative impacts on this. As I said, airport is closed, shipping is closed, nothing comes in, nothing comes out, just bare necessities and foods via trucks, and the drivers of the trucks never leave the truck. So yeah, whatever. Where do they poop? I always wondered. Nobody explained in the news. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Going to the exhaust shop now. We're gonna install this thing, and then I'm gonna continue from there onwards.